Okay, before we start the class, I'd like you, as usual, to pray first. Salman, would you please to lead us to pray?
Get ready. Let's pray together.
Amen. Okay, next, let's sing our national anthem. Radit, would you please lead us to sing national anthem? Would you please come forward? Everybody, would you please stand up? Indonesia. Okay, thank you, Radit. You may have a seat. Okay, today in our meeting, I'd like to give you a pantun. Usually, pantun is in Bahasa Indonesia, right? But today I will give you pantun in English. Yeah. So usually if somebody read a pantun for you, you have to answer by saying "cakep" like that, right? Yeah. But because this is English class, so you have to answer my pantun in English too. How about you answer by saying handsome? Agree? Yeah. Agree. Okay. So you have to answer my pantun using handsome like that. Okay? Okay. Sweet like honey? Handsome. Eating with a view? Handsome. Our meeting is precious like money? Handsome. Let's start it with greeting you. Okay, are you happy now? Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, before we start our lesson, I'd like to take a roll call as usually. When I take a roll call as our tradition, so you have to answer by using a word that is started with your initial name, okay? Okay. Ahmad Fahreza. Yes, your word today is angry, okay. A. Ahmad Rabitul? Yes, ma'am. Actor. Okay, actor. Ainul? Yes, ma'am. Yes? Admin. Okay, good, perfect. Zahra? Yes, ma'am, 0. 0, perfect. Okay, it seems that everybody are here today. I'm so happy. It means that you are healthy, everybody. Thank you for coming. And then, I will remind you about our class agreement. Our class agreement, I will remind you in every hour meeting, okay? First, be on time. Today, I saw you this morning. All of you are on time. Congratulations! Okay, you did such a great thing. I appreciate it. All of you are on time. Thank you. Okay, now, number 2, the second, keep your classroom neat and tidy. Okay, would you please take a look around you? Is there any trash? If you see any trash, would you please throw it on the trash can? Oh, thank you so much. Okay, before we go to our, going too far to our material today, I'd like to ask you to remind you what material that we have learned yesterday on last meeting. What material? Is there anyone who? Simple past. Yeah, simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense, okay? Would you please solve this problem, Zahra? Zahra, okay. Okay, Sarah, can you fill in this blank?
Went, ma'am.
Went? Why you answer went?
Because yesterday.
Because there is time signal yesterday, and it shows this happened in the past time. So it needs for 2. So we will fill when on the blank. Okay, great. It seems that you have understood about simple past tense. So we can go to the next material. That is narrative text. Okay. I want to ask you one thing. Do you like to read a story? Yes. Okay. What kind of story do you like to read?
I like to read a fantasy story, man.
Fantasy. Wow, fantasy. Cool, man. And then what else? Anyone else who like to read a story? Anyone else? Legend. Oh, perfect. What a coincidence. Today we are going to learn about this kind of text. It is called legend. Okay. The learning goal, the first is students are able to identify the context, main ideas, and detailed information. Second, our learning goal is students are able to conclude the implied meaning of narrative text orally and in writing in multimodal forms within the scope of teenager interest independently, collaboratively, and critically with optimal levels. Okay, does anyone know what is the purpose of narrative text? Is there anyone know the purpose of narrative text? The purpose, the aim, perhaps Dimas, to what? The purpose, if you read narrative text and then you will feel what?
To entertain, man.
Yes, great. To entertain, to amuse, to attract. And then, besides, there are so many use advantage of learning material. Anyone know? Okay, it seems that you still don't know what is the use of learning narrative text. So I will give you example. In each literature works will bring a message to the reader. So this message is not only as a spectacle, but it is also can be as a guidance in our life. That's the use of narrative text. Another example, the use of narrative text. If someday you grown up and you become tourist guide, for example, and then you have to take your guests to a certain place. For example, Tangkuban Perahu. Tangkuban Perahu, so you have to tell about the story of Tangkuban Perahu. So you can take the legend of Tangkuban Perahu, and then you can tell to your guests. So it's very useful learning these narrative things. Okay, can you get my point, guys? Yes. Okay, now let's, let's start our material. To make it clear, I will give you a movie. So we will watch movie together about a legend. The title is Timun Mas, The Legend of Timun Mas. Okay.
Have finally stopped Buto Ijo once and for all. Returning to her house, her delighted mother embraced her in her arms, and they both lived out the rest of their days in peace.
Okay, the movie is the end. Okay, how do you feel after watching this movie? Afraid? Oh, really? You feel afraid? You feel that, Buto Ijo will chase you or what? Yes, okay. Okay, we have watched Timun Mas video, right? Yes, okay. Can you give me, the message? Can you infer? Yes. Can you infer? So, can you infer the implied meaning of the movie? Of the, the story? It seems no one answers that. It seems that all of you still don't know how to to imply meaning of a text, right? Yeah. How to identify the information? Yeah, it seems like that. Okay, today we are going to learn how to write or infer meaning of a narrative text and how to find detailed information from a narrative text. Okay, but before that, I will give you the rules. Okay, the rules are I will divide you into 8 groups. How many people are here? 33. Yeah, 33. So I will divide you into 8 groups. And I have chosen the groups. You are belong to what group? You have to find your name here. Group 1. Group 1 Fahrudin. Wait. I will divide you into 3 stations. There will be 3 stations here. Okay? Station 1 is group 1, group 3, group 2. Group 2, group 3, okay? Station 2, group 4, 5, and 6. Station 3, group 7 and 8. Each group has different activities. Okay, listen to me. Each group has different activities. This will be station 1, and then this will be station 2, and this will be station 3. Okay, listen to me, the rule. In this station 1, you will learn individually. You will learn the material of narrative text individually from flipbooks that I have sent it to you in your WA group. So you have to access the flipbook from your WA group, okay? After you learn the material in the flipbooks, you have to go to the quizzes and then do some problems here. Okay? Okay. So you have to work individually here. And then after 15 minutes, everybody will be moved to the next station. In this station 2, you will work collaboratively in team. You have to arrange some jumbled paragraph. Okay, some jumbled paragraph, you have to cut the jumbled paragraph and then stick it on a paper, and then you have to make it in order. Okay, understand? Yeah. Okay, now on the station 3, you will have discussion session with me. So I will prepare some questions here on the station 3. I will ask you some questions, and then I will ask you to find the main idea. I will ask you to find the detailed information of the text in this station. Okay, with me? Yes. Okay, each station has 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, you have to be finished, and then I will ring the bell here like this. If I ring the bell like this, you have to move to the next station. Understand? Okay, now can we start now? Yeah. Okay, would you please gather with your group? Group 1, you have to work individually, right? Excuse me. You have to work individually, learn it by yourself. Would you please open your WA group? No, this one. Flipbook. Yeah, this one. Open this flipbook. Okay. Why it takes so long? There are materials here. Okay, so you have to learn this by yourself, yeah, individually. Learn all of the material, and then if you have finished learn this, you have to go to the quizzes. Yeah. Open the quizzes. Yeah, quizzes. There are some problems there. Okay, answer the question here. Perhaps there are 5 or until 8 problems there. You have to write down your name here. Okay, mulai, start. Yeah, like that. Okay, so do the problems there. But you have to learn it first. Learn the material from the flipbook first, okay? Okay, understand?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes,
okay. Okay, have you opened the WA group?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Open the flipbooks and then do the problems on the quizzes. Yeah? Yes, ma'am. Answer me, guys. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. This is group 5. These are the paragraphs are jumbled. Okay, so your job is cut this into pieces. Okay, cut into pieces. After that, you have to stick it over here in order. Okay, understand? Okay, and then about your group, have you understood? Okay, thank you. Now you can start it now. Do it now. Okay. Hello, welcome in station 3, group 7 and 8. Yeah, group 7, which one is group 7?
Yes.
Over here, and then this is group 8. Okay. You have watched, what is that? Timun Mas, right? Yeah, do you like it?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay. From the video and text of Timun Mas, anyone can tell me about Timun Mas? Anyone? Yeah, Ambia.
About a lonely old woman named Mbok Sirni.
Oh, it's about a lonely woman named Mbok Sirni. Yes. Okay, can you tell me more? Can you tell me more? Oh, Mbok Sirni wants to have a child so much. Yeah, it's true. Mbok Sirni wants to have a child so much. But how do you know? From the first paragraph. Oh yeah, I see. Okay. Can you tell me why Buto Ijo is chasing Timun Mas? Yes? Because Buto Ijo wants to eat Timun Mas. Oh right, great. Now would you please tell me what is the condition from Buto Ijo? Anyone can tell me the condition from Buto Ijo?
The Timun Mas.
Yes, Ambia.
17th birthday. Should give
To the Buto Ijo.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, does Mbok Sirni accept it? Does Mbok Sirni accept it?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Mbok Sirni accepted. Okay, yeah, it's correct. And then, can you tell me when does the conflict begin?
When Timun Mas get the age of 17, then
Oh, 17 years old. I see the conflict begins. Yeah, because Mbok Sirni have to give Timun Mas to Buto Ijo, right? Yeah, that's the conflict begins. Great, good. Can you tell me what paragraph tells that?
paragraph 3, ma'am.
Paragraph 3. Great. Okay, it seems that all of you have understood about how to find detailed information from a text. It's easy by doing like we just did like right now. You can find the detailed information by answering WH question. Yeah. And then I want to ask once more question. Can you tell me what the moral value that we can take from the Timun Mas? Anyone? Naufal? Is there any Naufal here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes?
About Timun Mas, ma'am.
About Timun Mas, yeah, I know about Timun Mas. The character is Timun Mas. I mean the message that this movie want to tell us. Anyone can know? Anyone can tell me about
Fighting, ma'am.
about fighting? Great, you almost there. Go on. Moral value. Listen to me. Moral value cannot be seen obviously on the text. Sometimes we have to conclude it. So you have to read all of the movie, watch all of the movie and read all of the text so we can conclude it. So we can take the moral value from concluding the text or by comprehending the movie like that. So
We
Naufal?
have to
we have to.
brave, ma'am.
Yeah, we have to be brave. Yeah, in facing any spectacles in our life. Yeah. Okay, good. We have to be brave. Good. Perfect. Okay. Now, would you please tell me the main idea of paragraph 4? Yes.
But here the video stood here when here 17 ticket.
Oh, great. Okay. But I wanna ask you, is there anyone know how How do you know that what is that? How we can find main idea itself? The trick. Anyone know? Anyone know? Okay, the trick to find main idea actually is by what is that? You have to go to the first sentence of a paragraph. But if you think that the first sentence of a paragraph is still not showing that it is the main idea of a paragraph, you can go to the last sentence of a paragraph. But if you think that the first sentence and the last sentence of the paragraph is not showing the main idea, you can comprehend all of the text and then conclude it. That's how to take main idea. So it is almost the same like we do to find the message, the moral value, like that. Understand? Yes. Okay. It seems that 15 minutes already, so it's time to you to move to station 1. Okay, station. Move to station 1. For you who is on station 1, move to station 2. And then for you who are on station 2, please move to station 3. Okay, I will make sure that all of you are not having the wrong station. Okay, what group are you? 7 and 8, yeah. 7 and 8, and this is 1, 2, 3. Group 1, 2, 3. Okay, great, good. You have the correct station. Okay, have a seat. Okay, have a seat. Okay, now please, would you please open your WA group? In here, you have to work individually. Okay, you have to work individually here. Open your WA group and then access the flip book that I have shared there. The flip book. Flip book. Yeah. Who is successful in accessing the flip book? Yeah, do you have a successful, what is that? Access the flip books. Okay, great. In this flip book, there are materials, so you have to learn the material here. And then, if you have finished learning the materials, you can go to, the quizzes. And then do some problems there.
Yes.
Okay, understand?
Yes, understand.
Okay. Okay, have you accessed the flip books? Yes? Yes, okay. And then if you have finished, you can go to the, quizzes, okay? Do some problems there, okay? Okay, I will give you some discussion on station 3 later. Oh, you have finished, comes to station 3, yeah. Okay. Okay, now you, the paper, I haven't given it to you yet. Where is group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is group 1. And then this is group 2. 3. Group 2? Which one is group 2? Okay. These papers is containing jumbled paragraphs. So your job is cutting the paragraph, and then you have to arrange on this. Yeah, arrange on this by stick it using this here, but you have to arrange it in order, chronologically. And can you get it? Yeah. Excuse me. Okay, thank you. Okay, this paper is containing jumbled paragraph, and then your job is cut this into pieces. Okay, cut this into pieces and then arrange on the second page here. But you have to arrange it in order, chronologically, okay? So you have to read it, yeah. Okay, can you get my point? Okay, do it now. The scissors, okay, good. Have you got the scissors? Okay. Hello. Welcome to Station 3 with me. Okay, what did you learn from Station 2? About what?
The legend of Bawang Putih and Bawang Merah.
Yeah, the legend of Bawang Putih and Bawang Merah. Great. Okay, can you tell me who are the characters of Bawang Putih and Bawang Merah?
They are Bawang Putih,
Bawang Merah,
Mother,
stepmother,
the old lady ma'am.
the old lady. There are 4 characters. Okay, great, Madinatul. Okay, is there anyone of you who can tell me how is their life?
Me ma'am.
Yes,
The life is
prosperous. Yeah, okay. I see. They are wealthy. Yeah. Okay, great. How do you know? Can you show me the evidence? Can you show me the evidence?
On the first sentence of the paragraph ma'am.
On the first sentence on the paragraph. Oh, yes, that's great. Yeah, correct. Okay. Okay, how does stepmother and Bawang Putih treat Bawang Putih when her father went to trade?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Yeah?
They want the Bawang Putih like an superman.
A servant, or like a servant. They treat Bawang Putih like a servant. So, Bawang Putih is doing all of the house chore. Yeah, okay. So, she's just like a servant. Okay. Can you show me the evidence?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah?
It's on the green paragraph.
Oh, perfect. Good. Excellent, Afghan. Excellent. Okay, it seems that we have to, what is that? Have mini presentation. Okay, time is up. No, stay here. Just stay here. Just stay there. Stay there, over there. Stay there. Stay. Sit down. Okay, finally we have learned all of the material, and then you have known how to find detailed information and how to imply the meaning of a text, okay? How to infer a text. So, but before we go on to the next session, that is mini presentation, I'd like to give you what is that? Ice breaking. Okay, the ice breaking is called antonym game. Do you know what is antonym? What is that antonym? What is that antonym? In bahasa Indonesia? Kebalikan, lawan kata. Okay, so you have to give me the opposite word. Okay, for example, if I say small, and then you will answer big. If I say big, you will answer small. Okay, you have understood about the game. Okay, can we start now? Yes. Okay. Okay, let's start now. Listen to me carefully. The opposite you must give me. If I say small, you will say big. Small, small, small. Big, big, big. Small, big, small, big. Big, small, big, small. Big. Small. Small, big, small, big. Big, small, big, small. Okay, great. Once more. Listen to me carefully. The opposite you must give me. If I say sun, you will say moon. Moon. Sun. Sun, moon, sun, moon. Moon, sun, moon, sun. Sun. Moon. Moon, sun. Sun, moon. Okay, once more. Listen to me carefully. The opposite you must give me. If I say boy, you will say girl. Girl. Boy. Girl, girl, girl. Boy, boy, boy. Girl, boy, girl, boy. Boy, girl, boy, girl. Girl. Boy. Yay. Perfect. Okay, next is we have arrived into the session of presentation. I will choose one of groups to present their mini presentation. I will choose, how about group 5? Group 5, is there any group 5 here? Who? Okay, Madinatul, come forward. Give a big round of applause to Madinatul. Everybody who is not coming to in front of the class, you have to pay attention to them. You have to pay attention to them and then ask question, okay? Or you may give suggestion. Understand? Yes. Okay. Okay, you may start now. Madinatul. Yes. Okay, now, please.
Assalamualaikum kelas.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 5 standing here to present what we have learned from the session 3 that is. Before we start to present all from the session 3, we would like to introduce our group members. First is me, my name is Madinatul Khairia and Bayu Musa.
Dan semua dan mau kasih.
Yes, from
It's okay. Sneezing is normal, right? Sneezing is normal, okay. Sneezing is sneezing.
From activity in session 3, we have test of the legend of Timun Emas. We find that what tell us about five prominent moral values they are religious.
It's okay. She is nervous. Give a big applause to her. Okay, would you please repeat once more? Yeah, repeat it, okay? Yes, from the start, from the very beginning.
Assalamualaikum kelas. We are from Group 5 standing here to present what we have learned from session 3 that is. Before we start to present or from the session 3, we would like to introduce our group member. First is me, my name is Madinatul Khairiyah and Khairunisa.
And Muslim Maulana.
Dan mau kasih.
From activity in session 3, we read text of the legend of Timun Emas. We find that this legend wants to tell us about five prominent moral values. They are religious values, independent values, curiosity values, helpful values, and honesty values. In every life, people always has problem. In the story, we are taught how to battle the problem without any fear. There will always a way in every problem, so never give up and keep on fighting.
Okay, group 5 has finished their mini presentation. Give a big round of applause. Okay. Okay, it's time for you to give an evaluation to their presentation. Anyone want to ask question? Yes, Dimas?
What do you mean by saying that this legend tells us about independent value?
Because when fighting the Buto Ijo, Timun Mas was alone without anyone help.
Okay, Dimas, are you satisfied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give a big round of applause. Okay, any other person, any other student wants to ask question? Okay, Ambia. Okay, Ambia. Okay. Okay, is there anyone want to answer Ambia's question? Yeah.
To get better solution.
To get better solution, are you satisfied with her answer? Ambia, satisfied? Yes. Okay, give a big round of applause. Okay. Okay, we learn class, we have been through all of the activities and then it's time for us to make a conclusion, okay? What we have learned today, guys, is there anyone want to answer my question? Yeah, what is the conclusion of our activities today?
We learn how to find.
Yeah?
We learn how to find detailed information. Detailed information of a text, ma'am.
Okay, great. We have learned about how to find detailed information. And then what else? What else? Yes?
We learn about how to find main idea and moral value of
Okay, perfect. Okay. At least you have understood. Today we have learned to find detailed information and how to find main ideas and moral value. Okay, it's time to ask to have a reflection. Would you please come forward and sit down here with me? Sit down here, everybody, sit down here. Come close closer to me, closer to me, closer to me. So there is no space. It's okay. If you want to answer, you use that. Okay, Dimas, closer to us. Okay. Okay guys, it's time for us to have a reflection after learning, yeah? After learning, we have so many activities today in Station 1, Station 2, and Station 3. Do you like our activities today?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, why do you like it?
Me, ma'am.
Yes?
I like it especially when we are working in group, ma'am. I can speak confidently because it is in a circle, ma'am. It makes me very confident.
I see. Okay, so speaking in a very small circle makes you more confident.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Give a big applause. Great, you do such a great thing, Madinatul. Okay, now would you please tell me what is the advantage of learning narrative text? Who can answer? Yes, Dimas? Okay.
Me, ma'am.
Yes.
In my opinion of advantage
Yeah.
of learning narrative text is can be entertained and get moral value from it.
Oh, perfect. We can get moral value from it and take the advantage from the narrative text is because we can get moral value from it. Okay, perfect. Okay, now the last question. What is the most challenging thing in our learning today? The most challenging, yes?
When we have to present our group board, ma'am.
Oh, when you have to come forward and then present your presentation, yeah. But you did such a great thing, yeah. I saw that you come forward and then you give presentation. Is awesome. Okay, give a big applause for ourselves. Yeah, we did such a great thing today. Give a big applause again. Okay. It seems that I have to end up our meeting today, but before I end up our meeting today, I'd like to give you the agenda that we have to do next meeting. Next meeting, we have to produce narrative text, okay? So you have to prepare it, okay? Okay. Okay, I think before we end up our barista learning today, I'd like you to recite Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah. Okay, thank you for coming and then see you next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.